I don't know if you remember, but this is 100% distilled water. The silver rods are 0.9999 silver rods. This is our power converter right here. It's running about a 27, 28 volts. I know this is a little better than the normal power 27, 28 volt amplifier, but most normal people have. But this is just what I happen to have when I was testing this. Let's see. This has been running for about an hour and a half. And I don't know if you can see the rods, but the rods in there, one's really dark and one's a little lighter. Let me see if I can brighten this up a little more in here. We can see this. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but one's got quite a bit darker and one's a little brighter. The one on this side is the negative, and the one on this side is the positive. I don't know if you can see the bubbles in there, but they're flowing pretty good right now. And I'm going to show you the parts per million. Oops. See the bubbles in there when I barely touched that? I don't know if you can see this right now, but it's actually got zeros on it right now. I know that. Let me see if I can move this around here. You see this a little better. I'm going to reach over here. I'm going to turn this off. Turn off this power. And I'm going to put this down in there. See if you can see this. It's it's actually at a 14. Started off at a 0. Now it's at a 14. Wasn't that hard to do. I'm going to do some tests with this water and actually just see if I'm going to test it on several things. I'm going to test it on some bacteria, some milk, orange juice. Just buy different things at the store. See if you can see that zeros. I'm going to show you one more time. It's been running for about an hour and a half. Okay, let me take it out. See if you can see that a little better. Put it back in. Here we go. Running about a 14. I'm going to leave it at that for the day. I'm going to pull this out. I don't know if you noticed, but the way I set this up was pretty cheap. Not really much to it. I just got some plastic. I taped it on there. I put the bars about an inch apart, maybe an inch and a half. Of course, now you can see them. You see how that one is it's really dark. There we go. See how that's really dark right there, and the other one's really light. The darker side, if you remember, was the positive, and the other side is the negative. So let me see if I can touch these right quick. This side over here, the dark side, was the positive, and this other side is the negative side. I'm going to take this spoon, I'm going to stir this up. I know a lot of people say you shouldn't mix it, but this is my first trial. And I notice they have a lot of people, they mix it with a little airflow from an aquarium. After I've mixed it, I'm going to see what it turns out now. Let's see here. Oop. I see my thumb is in the way. Oh, it's already turned off. Here we go. Turn it back on. 0. Here we go. Put it in there. It's 14. About an hour and a half, and it's already 14. Anyway, I'm going to use this with some spray bottles, and I'm going to spray some different things. And I'm going to put those on the different videos, and you be sure and watch out and let me know what you think. Please don't post no negatives, because I'm only interested in good comments